In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion and Evernote desktop. We're going to take a note from Evernote, export it as a PDF, and bring that file into Notion so everything lives neatly in your workspace. Start by opening Evernote on your desktop. On the left sidebar, click Note to view your notes. Open the note you want to move so it's front and center in the editor. In that open note, look up to the top right corner for the three dots, also known as the More Actions menu, and click it. From the options that appear, choose Export PDF. This turns your note into a portable document that preserves its layout and is easy to share or archive. In the export window, set the destination to PDF if you see that option. Then pick a page size that fits your content. Choose the orientation. Portrait is great for most text, while landscape works better for wide tables, and adjust the scale so nothing gets cut off. Use the preview to confirm everything looks right, and when you're satisfied, click Export. Your computer will ask where to save the file. Select a folder you can access easily and click Save. Make a mental note of the location, you'll need it in a moment. Now open Notion on your desktop. At the top left, click your profile name to open the workspace menu. Next, go to Settings, then select Import. This is where you can bring content from other tools into Notion. Choose PDF as the source, then click Choose File. Navigate to the PDF you just saved from Evernote, select it, and click Continue. Notion will upload the file and create a new page that contains your PDF. Depending on the size of the document, this may take a moment, so let it finish processing. Once the import completes, open the new page to review your content. That's the entire process. Export from Evernote as a PDF, then import that PDF into Notion. Repeat these steps anytime you want to bring an Evernote note into your Notion workspace.